What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Vision here, back at you again with another crypto market update. Today's video, we're going to be looking at Chainlink, and boy, oh boy, oh boy, is this thing running. Right, look at this bullish engulfing candle, baby. So today's video is going to be good. If you like today's video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment where you're tuning in from, and let's get into it. So, man, as of today, man, the market looks good. We look like we're doing a little relief rally. Can it be sustained? We'll see. We'll see. I mean, look at this bullish engulfing candle. This thing is great. We're actually targeting the weekly open, which is everything you want to see. So I just wanted to show you guys that bullish candle. But weekly open, right? Weekly open is at 25.64. We're already above it. You're above it, so now we're targeting higher prices. The everything looks great on the weekly. Nothing really changed. This 26.35 range is that key level to get above now. So close above this, and we're moving and grooving. I'm gonna mark that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take this down. So overall, we look good, really good. Let's do green on that because that's the green zone. Okay, so that's the green zone. That's what we need to get above. RSI healthy. We really didn't move down a lot with this last move with this wick. We came right back up. Remember I was telling you if we were able to, because it was kind of pointed down, if we kind of moved up, then the RSI would flatten out. So that looks great. Everything looks great on Chainlink. We're still up. We still have the wave up. Man, this is looking really good, ladies and gentlemen. Can we get some continuation, right? Can we get some continuation? Immediately when I see this, my eyes go right to the RSI based on our conversations yesterday. We didn't come down to test the back test this area, right? We didn't come down here. We didn't come down here, and we're already trying to get above the moving average, right? Already trying to get above the moving average. So here's the deal. If we, but they're both pointed up. Remember the last time I said that? I said that right here. I said that right here. Hey, this looks good. When they're both pointing up, they're both converging, right? They're converging together. When they're both pointed down, something like this, they're both converging together, right? It's when you have the divergence, right? This thing's pointed up, this is pointed down, that's when you get crosses. But when they're in conjunction with another, that's when you have good moves, right? This is pointed up, this is pointed up, right? You kind of want them in the same trajectory. So, yeah, this looks really good. This looks really, 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 really good. If we're zooming in on the daily time frame, just price action wise. So, man, hey, we called this. We called this at this channel. So if you've been tuned in, you knew the level. You knew 24.32. We stay above 24.32. We're bullish. So we were looking for an up, right? We had this up, down, and what are we doing when we come back down here? Are we going to go up, or are we going to come back down and test this trend line at this $22 range? This where this 20 EMA is at 21.85. So it looks really good. It looks really, really, really good. This 4-hour time frame kind of gets you a more clear picture. We went down, we came down. We went up, we went up. We came down, we came down. Now, right, we came up, back tested. Are we going to get a close above this range? You see how we're kind of in this range right here? Kind of in a range, right? Kind of in a range. So if we could break out of this range and back test this range, we're going to go to $31 at least. At least. So pack your bags at this next. If we do get another dip, pack your bags. If you didn't pack your bags, wait. Don't FOMO in. Don't be that guy. Don't be that girl, right? Don't just FOMO. Because theoretically, we could come back down and test down through here and then rip. Right? We could come back down to this 24.26. We can come back down to right where this one is, this 100 at $21, $22. So if we're doing a high to low, just a mini time frame, resist a little bit of resistance right at that 886. All right, just kind of zoom in for you guys. A little bit of resistance at this 886. We had some breaking through. Let's close this candle in the next 38 minutes above 25.98. And ladies and gentlemen, we are going to rip. We're not going to stop at 27.15. We get above this because this is at 786. I think it's 20 overall. It's the 27.30 mark. But dude, we're I don't want just a relief rally. I want to get out of here. And to get out of here, we need to close above this mark, this 26.40. I'm just gonna put this up regardless. I'm gonna come back, take this level. I'll put up the 886 too, so we can have two levels, right? Two levels where we're gonna be, what we need to be at. Did I do that right? That's what happened. Sorry about that. Let's do yellow actually. This is the yellow zone. This is like the cautious zone. And this is the green zone because this is money, baby. We get through here, we're getting money. Because you don't just break the 886 and stop at your 1. That's not what happens. You get to that 1272, 1618 area. I mean, hey, I'm excited. I'm excited for this. We've been talking about this for a while now. So, hey, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment so you can stay updated, right? So you can stay updated. So, I mean, look how close we are to both of those. Yeah, we get up here at this 1618 or this sorry, the 786, 886. So I don't really want to see that $27 range at all. I kind of just want to push through. I just want to push through. If we do stop at this 1618, I could see that. I could see $28 we stop. But just depends on the strength of this move. So overall, it looks good. It looks beautiful. This is typically the area that you find some resistance at. But if you blow through this, we've been going to the 2618. No, I think it's the 1618 actually. I mean, I can just double check. Double check. Where have we been going these last couple moves? Ah, let's get that. Let's get this. 1618 just below the 1618 in this last move. How about this move before? What the heck? Move before we went from the July 25th high. Dude, I need a new mouse. This is you're fired, bro. You're fired, bro. You're absolutely fired. You're fired. You're done. I mean, this last move just passed the 1618 a little bit, just above the 1618. I mean, I don't really want to count this wave right here. I mean, we did go to the 2272. Overall, we're at the 2618. So, I mean, I still think. I mean, unless this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we had a little A, B, C correction, and we're in a 1, 2, or 1, 2. I mean, this doesn't really look like a 1, 2. It could be, but I'd like this to be the 1, 2. This kind of look like a 2, right? This is just very tricky. If that is, then we're in the third wave, ladies and gentlemen. Because, I mean, you could have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but let me see. It is bigger, but 1, 2, 3. Does that really look like a 4? Yeah, I could see us doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's the first wave. But if we're looking, I mean, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one wave. Come back down. We're getting a 1, 2. We need a 3, 4, 5. We need another one. So this is the first wave of the third wave. In in theory, this could be because the other one was a 1-2 setup. This other one right here, right? This is a 1-2 setup. So this could be your right. So you have a 1-2, and then right. So 1-2, and then you're in a this third wave of the third wave. So we just got done with the first wave of the third wave. We came down, and now we're hitting that third wave of the third wave. So that would be incredible. That would be incredible if we could do that. So those are the possibilities right now. I mean, we're right at that 2618 from this lower time frame. We're right at this 2618. So we're looking good. We're looking extremely bullish. Let's see through. Oh man, gosh damn, that looks great. At least on the 4 hour time frame, that looks great. Clear, clean above the moving average. We still got some work to do, right? Let's keep our composure. We still got some work to do. We need to get above this area right here. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Sorry, that was terrible. That was terrible. I'm not happy until we get above here. Because then if we don't, we're just making a lower low. Or sorry, a higher low. Sorry, a higher high. I'm tripping right now. I'm sorry. I haven't had my coffee yet. I kind of just woke up, saw the market. I was like, oh, I'm getting on. My bad. So this is a lower high. Lower high, I mean, we need to get above what, 73, 78. We need to get above that. We need to get above that on the 4 hour. We need to get above that. I mean, that's no, it's no debate. No debate at all. I can even try to put I kind of want to keep that. We can see this. We'll check it tomorrow. We'll check it tomorrow. So it looks good though. It looks good. Fu Manchu. This is what you want to see, right? We came down. Wave is below, but when you do have a wave below, you want an explosive move on the stochastic, and I want to see I want to see a blue wave up here, even if it's ever so slightly. I want to get out of this because if you're looking at this like it's the MACD, it just has the MACD with moving averages. That's it, right? You're coming down, bearish, coming up, bullish, down, bearish, up, bullish. So something like this is not good. You see how we green dot shot up, no wave. It was pretty delayed. So that's not the best situation we want to be in. See how we came up? I mean, shot up, didn't really get a lot, and we kind of had to pull back down and then start to move. So let's get I want to get a good example of this. I mean, kind of something like this, if I'm being honest. How we just shot straight up, and then the wave started to build up, build up, build up, build up. Because this stochastic RSI, you can touch up on the white line. You can be up on this white dotted line. That's fine. That's fine. It's when this wave gets to the top, when this wave comes like up through here, then you're like, oh crap, I might need to sell. I might need to sell. I am in a danger zone. Right? Protect your assets, protect your gains. If we were at all this was great. You see how we were down, came down, and then just stayed up, cooled off, but the wave never came down. Up. So it looks great. Everything looks good. I can put a line. Let me see on the 4 hour. I mean, we're above all the EMAs. We barely bounced off that 50 line. So we did have a little fake out, right? A little fake out, and we broke back above, which is beautiful. Now let's make some progress, right? Let's not just. I would hate to have all this RSI momentum, all of it, right? This is not for the faint of heart. If you're making this move, this needs to be sustained. We cannot. We cannot come up and then lose the moving average again and make a lower low. We need to come up. We need to break through this. Worst case scenario would come down. Worst case scenario. Worst case scenario, we come down through here, and then we go. Still have a higher low, right? Higher low. And we're building something. We're building. We're moving, right? We came down. We went sideways, right? Because we didn't really do anything up here with this move. Kind of recovered. We did something with that move. So we went down, sideways. Now we're going up. Price target wise, we gave you price targets to look out for. This is something that, we're going to keep our eyes on. We're going to be covering Chainlink every day, making sure that we can make some money, baby. We need to make some money. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but overall, my targets for Chainlink, you guys already know my targets for Chainlink. My targets for Chainlink are up at this trend line, this 1618, right? Overall, I do want to see something like this. So you get out, not to scale, but just something like this, break out, come back and back test, and then go. Ultimate target, I think this cycle we can get up to that $64 range. I don't think we're going to get, if you're tuning into a YouTube channel that's saying we're going to get to $250, $300, $400, $500, $1,000, they're selling you dreams, man. They're selling you dreams, man. And the dreams, they ain't nothing, right? It's a blank CD. Ain't nothing there. You can always hold. I mean, I'm always going to hold a little bit of relative percentage for long term, right? But overall, I think we need to hit this trend line first and see how we react with the trend line. Then we can start getting excited about other targets. So one step at a time. Overall, bullish as heck. We close above this with a force. We blast through the 786, 886 zone. All right, we blast above this zone. Man, I'm gonna make them both yellow because there's like caution zone. We blast above this, ladies and gentlemen. We're in the money zone. We're in the 113 to the 1618 zone, possibly to the 1886 if we get up there. I don't want to see a wick. I don't want to just see a wick up to the 1886 to the 2 and then slam down. Let's close up here and then go get another rally going, right? Because we're in down low. We're in down here. We want this thing to be doing the same kind of concept, right? You came up and just accumulating right up on this, just like this. Came up, and then go. So overall, we look great. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. I'll be back again tomorrow with an update. Let's finish this thing out. I want to see some more momentum, right? I don't want just a relief rally. I mean, as we're looking at this though, look at this bullish engulfing candle. I mean, very little wick to the downside. I mean, this thing just ate it all up. 11% one day. I mean, look at this. This is incredible. This is great. So overall, we look beautiful. This looks so good. So if you liked the video, drop a like, hit that sub button, leave a comment. I'd really appreciate all that. You have a good rest of your day. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.